Now in this exercise, what we're going to do is to look at, first of all, the standard form of a linear equation in two variables, x and y, that equals some constant. And an example of that would be 4x plus 3y equals 12. So we'll either give you an example or pick one out from your lesson, and hopefully we're going to have some boards like this in which we're going to plot this. So we're going to suggest when you do plot this, you make what is called an x and y intercept t-chart. And this is done by putting a 0 here for the x and a 0 there for the y. So taking this 0 and going into this equation, if x is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, we then get 3y equals 12. So this is 0, it disappears. We solve this and we get that y here is a 4. We can divide both sides by 3. Now we go back to this equation. We're going to put a 0 where the y is, over here. So 3 times 0 is 0. We now have, block this out, 4x equals 12. Going to divide both sides by 4, and we get x is going to be a 3. So we now have 2 points. I'll move this up a little bit. And we're going to plot them on our graph here. Well, 0, 4. We go up. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We put a dot right there. And then we have 3, 0. So we go over 3, 1, 2, 3, a dot there. And we now have 2 points. Well, I take my ruler, line this up, and there is my graph of this particular equation in standard form. So this is what we'd like you to do. Again, you're going to have an expression, an equation in standard form. We want you to use the x and y intercept t-chart and then plot it on there, and then in a sense teach it like I've been doing to your colleague. And then they can try another equation and show it to you. Okay.